God,
nigga.
hey, for real though, don't run right away, bro.
They
Y'all
not even
was
gonna
already
run.
finna run anyway, so don't
He-
niggas. They not finna see y'all. No, no, bro. Damn, that was a good dare, bro. That was a good dare, bro. Oh, I don't even know what his ad name was. Shit, I remember them college.
Hey, Swag,
Yo,
you a bitch on God, but what's the word?
on God, I'll fuck your mama. Fuck wrong with you, pussy. Okay. Any more of those, I'm definitely getting out about it. Nobody got time to play, bro. Damn, bro. What was bro name, bro? He was about to do that shit too, bro. And God, he was about to do that. And God, he was about to do that shit. What was his name? His phone didn't die, bro. He left alive. I know if your phone dies, it just the screen like it get blurred out. He didn't. He left alive. He left alive.
Hello,
Yo,
what's good?
what's popping?
It's poppin'.
What you trying to do for this $100?
It don't matter, bro.
All right. About to go to the questions, and we about to find out a good one.
All right, bet.
All righty. Hold on. This shit so annoying.
For the keys.
All right. About to go through these motherfucking questions. Do 50 push-ups back to back. No.
Nah, hell, can you do 5?
Okay. Okay, where you at? You at home?
Yeah.
Neighbor's door and walk in. Bro. Damn, I need another rubber band, though. Shit, fuck. Damn.